20, 12, 14 in about, whatever. Meteorologist Damon Madsen joins us now with the latest check on the forecast. And are we experiencing a bit of a roller coaster now with the weather, or are we going to have some consistency?
Well, I think the rest of this week it'll be a little more consistent, but we're riding that downturn pretty quickly right now. We've had some chilly days and nights, but we're about to go to that next step, folks. It's about to get downright cold as we go toward the overnight hours tonight. We have sunny skies, but notice our camera moving a good bit. We have breezy winds out there that are bringing in even more of that chilly air from the north. And again, we have these wind speeds reaching up to around 15 to 25 miles an hour. That's the steady wind speed that we'll have consistently throughout the rest of the afternoon, with those gusts occasionally stronger up to around 25 to 30 miles an hour. So not the windiest day we've had, no question about it, but it's more than enough to reinforce again this colder air that started to arrive last night, and now it's really settling in as we go throughout the day today. Those current temperatures mostly in the 50s. The only exception to this is we have DC up around 62. Down into southern Maryland, we have a few of those lower 60s as well. But generally speaking, it definitely feels much chillier than it did yesterday when we reached back up into the 70s and even set a couple of new records out there. Look at that temperature change. It's about 15 degrees colder on average across the area compared to where we were at this time on Monday. And that's all because a second cold front, it crossed through last night and it brought down more of that chilly air. That front is long gone at this point, and in its wake, we have the wind, we have the chilly temps, but at the very least, we do have very clear skies. Now, the sunshine is going to be our friend throughout the rest of the afternoon, but once that sun sets, it is game over with these temperatures, folks. They are going to start to tumble to some of the lowest points we've had this season. So check it out. As we go throughout the rest of the afternoon, we're already overdoing these numbers a little bit here. In reality, we have those upper 50s, lower 60s. So expect that to stay the same as we head on toward the 3-4 o'clock hour. But check it out. As we head into the night, it is quickly going to start to get much, much colder. That temperature will fall down into the lower 40s inside the Beltway. Everywhere else by 9 o'clock is likely already in the 30s. And then before all is said and done, we're going to wake up tomorrow morning to 20s for most locations west of I-95. The DC Metro over toward the Chesapeake Bay could hang on to the lower 30s, but I would not rule out that temperature slightly dipping into the upper 20s. It is going to be a downright cold start to our Wednesday, and the wind, it's going to be a factor the rest of the day, so we got to bring this back here. The wind chill that feels like temperature is already going to be down around, if not below freezing, as we head into the evening. First part of the night tonight, 7, 8, 9 o'clock, we'll start to feel it, but at least the wind will lighten up as we head through the night, even though we will have just a little bit of wind, and that means a wind chill tomorrow morning, upper teens, mid-20s. So that is the cold we are about to experience. Be ready for it. It will linger throughout the day on Wednesday, and then as we head on toward Thursday, yes, it will still be chilly, but we're also going to see our next round of rainfall to wrap up the work week.